Hi, this is Joshua. You are now watching The Idea Mobile. As you can see here, this is the new Edifier TWS2. It's a true wireless earbud from Edifier. This earbud doesn't only work in pair, it also can work individually. Meaning if you want to take out one of the earbuds and lend to your friends, they can actually use it and pair with other devices. Just in case if you lost one of the earbuds, don't worry, you're still able to use this earbud as normal. So let's do a quick unboxing and hands-on of the TWS2. This is the box of the Edifier TWS2. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So this is a docking case. The earbud is inside. It comes with a micro USB cable, extra ear tips for different ear canal size, user manual. The docking case is made out of plastic with matte finishing and use magnetic cover. The earbud slot has 2 pins and magnets that hold the earbud to the correct position. This allows the earbud to be charged at the same time turn into standby mode when you're not using it. The earbud gives 3 hours of battery life and additional 9 more hours with the docking case. So in total you get 12 hours of battery life. It comes with 3 sizes ear tips, and once you match the correct size, it would fit firmly in your ear canals. As truly wireless earbud, the Edifier TWS has enough of everything: decent treble extension, bass, soundstage and clarity. The microphone also able to pick up voice clearly and hearable at other end without any issues. This Edifier TWS is available now for RM249 ringgit. It comes with 3 colors: red, black and white. A comprehensive review of this earbud will be available at our website, link in the description below. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us at The Idea Mobile in Facebook and Instagram. So what do you think about this Edifier's TWS2? Do leave your comment down below. My name is Joshua Wong. Thank you for watching. Signing off.